Hello, welcome to the Vintage Sewing Machine channel. As you know, on this channel, I will be educating you on everything about the vintage sewing machine, from setting up to repair to reviews and everything about the vintage sewing machine. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your sewing machine for work. First off, I will show you how to fix a needle into the needle clamp screw. When you get your needle, the needle size that you'll be using depends on the cloth you want to sew. So if it's a light fabric, you'll be needing just sewing machine needle size 11, 12 or 14. So it depends actually on how light or how heavy your clothing or your fabric is. So for this demonstration, I'm using the size 14 needle. Yes, the size 14 needle. So when you're trying to fix the needle, you will notice that there are two sides to it. We have the flat side, you can see here, if you can see very well here. We have the flat side, it's very flat, and we have the rounded side. The flat side, the rounded side. So we are most concerned about the flat side when fixing the needle. The flat side is facing here. So you're going to loosen the needle clamp screw. You can see it's removable. Let me loosen it. You can see it's removable. You're going to loosen it. So when you're fixing the needle, if you can see, there is a very slim line here where the needle can pass through. The needle will just slide in through here seamlessly. You can see. So just slide in seamlessly through here. But we need this needle clamp screw to hold it taut. So now, when I'm trying to fix the needle, I would make sure it's not compulsory you remove it like the way I did. No, it's not compulsory. I'm just removing it for you to see what it actually is going on here. So there's a flat side, so the needle is going to slide in here, and we're going to fix it taut with a needle clamp screw. Another thing I would like to want you to put into consideration is that when you're trying to fix the needle, make sure the balance wheel is at its highest. You can see it's moved down now. So you can't fix a needle while it's down like this. There would not be enough space for you to fix the needle. So when you're trying to fix the needle, you need to move this balance wheel up to the highest it can go. So this is the highest it can go. Anything apart from this is going to come down again. So you just leave it once you notice it's at its highest, because it's only then we will be able to fix the needle perfectly. So when fixing the needle, inside this back, it's not compulsory you remove this. You remove the needle clamp screw. I just removed it to show you. It's not compulsory you remove it. So you can put it back. So in case you didn't remove yours, you just locate the flat side, and you're going to slide it in. Loosen this a bit if it's not easing in properly. So loosen this a bit and push the needle up. Notice, you see, the needle is sliding in at the side. Like I said earlier, there is a line at the side here. The needle clamp screw is just there to hold it taut. So I'm fixing it back. You raise the needle up onto the highest it can go. If you push it and you see it can't go any further, then you hold it there. And you screw this with your hands to hold it taut. Screw it with your hands to hold it taut. Make sure this is well balanced. Make sure the needle clamp screw is well balanced. And then you hold it taut. So you see, we fixed our needle. Easy peasy. So that's it. So to ensure you've actually fixed the needle well, you need to move the balance wheel and notice if there's any difficulty in the needle moving down the hole. There's a hole here. You will see there's a hole here where the needle will move through, where the needle will move right through. So in order to know if you fix the needle well, you need to move the balance wheel and try to make the needle go in. If there's difficulty for the needle going in, or if you think it's touching the side, because if it's going to be fixed well, it need not touch any side of the needle, so it needs to go in really well. But if there's any difficulty or it's hitting any side, then you know you have to fix it well. So this is moving right through, but I feel it's not right in the middle. I always love it to be exactly in the middle, so I'm just going to adjust it. So to adjust it, you move your balance wheel up again, then you unloose this a bit, you unscrew it a bit, then you move it to wherever you want it to. So I've just moved it a bit to the middle, and then I'm going to screw it back. So now I'm going to see again, I'm going to try to see if it's where I want it to be. So I think I've gotten it where I want it to be right now. So it's right in the middle. You can see I do not feel any I do not feel the needle eating any of the side of the sewing machine, so that means it's well fixed. Yes, so it's well fixed like this. So that's it. So that's the way you fix a needle to a sewing machine. Remember, the flat side will face the balance wheel, and you slide it in, unscrew it and hold it taut with a needle clamp screw. Then test to see if it's not touching any of the side. Make sure it is sliding through the hole perfectly without touching any of the side or without hitting any side. You must not hear any eating sound. If you hear any slight eating sound, then you need to fix the needle. So that's it.